Have you ever scrolled through TikTok or YouTube Shorts and thought, why are people wasting time making these videos? Well, here's the truth. They're not wasting time at all. These people are clipping short videos for different creators and actually getting paid for it. And guess what? You can do it too. No fancy clients, no big equipment, no nonsense. There is a platform called WAP, and their creator program lets creators pay you good money to clip their content and post it for them. The opportunity is massive, but there's one catch. The earnings are directly tied to the amount of the videos you can make and the amount of views you generate. If we go with the old-fashioned way of doing everything manually, scrubbing through footage just to find one decent moment, cutting manually, trimming, and editing everything from scratch, it would take hours just to make a few upload-ready videos. I got tired of that and went on a mission. I spent days testing every AI tool out there until I finally found one that does everything, and it is called AI Video Cut. This AI finds all viral moments, edits them automatically into a polished upload-ready video, and turns hours of work into minutes. In this video, I'm going to show you real examples that even complete beginners can use to start making money online. And the best part? You can do this from anywhere, no matter your country, age, or background. So make sure you watch until the end, because I'll be revealing all the groups, info, and tools you'll need to get started right after watching. And if you want to go even deeper into AI tools and workflows, make sure to join my free Telegram channel. The link's waiting for you in the description. All right, let's jump in. First things first, let's find the best content rewards that WAP has to offer. You'll find the link in the description. It takes you straight to WAP's content creator program list, where all active campaigns are posted. This is where creators post bounties. Basically, they'll pay you a fixed rate per 1,000 views your clips generate. But before you jump into anything, make sure you go to the top right corner and sort by most paid out. Here's why. Some new campaigns never pay you out, even if your clip goes viral. Always check the reviews before you start. If something looks off, skip it. Stick to campaigns with high ratings and as few one-star reviews as possible. By sorting by most paid out, you're focusing only on creators who've actually paid their clippers before. First, look for campaigns that let you post on multiple platforms, like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. The more platforms you're allowed to use, the more chances you have to go viral and earn faster. Next, check the campaign budget. If it's already at 90% or higher, skip it. Once that budget runs out, you won't get paid, even if your clip blows up. The sweet spot is anywhere between 20% and 80% completed. One thing to avoid are waitlisted campaigns. Some of them take days just to approve you, and if you want to start earning today, you don't want to sit around waiting. I did some digging and found a few amazing campaigns that are super beginner friendly. No waitlist, no hassle. You can literally join and start working right now. The first one is Orangi Clips. It pays $3 per 1,000 views. And the requirements? Super simple. You just need a fan page about that creator. No crazy view minimums, no complex approval steps. You also have a dedicated video of all guidelines that you need to follow to get approved. The second one is very interesting. Let me show you this page called Kicked Clipper. As you can see, this guy is posting several streamer clips a day and getting on average 300,000 to 400,000 views per video. 1 out of 10 videos even has a few million views, which is insane. Now, you might think, oh, he's probably just earning from the TikTok Creator Rewards program. Nope, that's completely wrong. TikTok doesn't pay for reposted videos like these anymore. That ship sailed nearly a year ago. Try reposting streamer clips now, and TikTok will instantly disqualify you. $0, zero fun. So how's this guy pulling in thousands every single day? You've probably noticed the Stake logo on all his clips. That's the secret. Stake is an entertainment company that pays around 20 cents per 1,000 views if you include their logo on your reposts or random clips. Now sure, the RPM isn't massive, but these videos can go crazy viral. And when you start stacking those views, you can make some pretty decent money, without any hard work and without filming yourself. I found a few of these deals where you can simply feature a company's logo in your videos and actually earn money from it. I've listed them all in a Google Doc. You can find the link in my Telegram channel. The first one is Spartan's logo clipping, which pays 20 cents per 1,000 views. The requirements? super simple. You don't even need a fan page about Spartans. You can clip any type of content, like your favorite streamer, podcast host, or anything that has the potential to get a lot of views. As I showed you with this TikTok page, they're posting 3 to 4 videos every single day, pulling in hundreds of thousands of views, and some even hit millions. Now just do the math. This one video got 2.4 million views. If you made that same exact clip, but added the Spartans logo, which pays about 20 cents per 1,000 views, that's roughly $480 from one viral post. And if you keep doing this consistently and build an audience, it literally turns into an automatic money printing machine. Alright, so now you know how to find the best campaigns. But here's something nobody talks about. Most people are still doing everything the hard way. They're spending hours scrubbing through 90-minute podcasts, clipping manually, editing in CapCut, adding subtitles, and trying to make everything fit. Meanwhile, I'm sitting back generating over 30 clips in just 15 minutes, all thanks to AI Video Cut. Here's how it works. You can upload your podcast or long-form video straight from your computer, or simply paste a YouTube link. Then the AI takes over. It scans your content automatically, picks out the most viral moments, and turns them into short-form clips in just minutes. When we check out the first campaign materials, you can see they left some references we can use. You can grab the videos you want to clip from their YouTube channel or Twitch. I've already prepped a few YouTube links that I know have some great short moments, so I'll just paste one into the box and hit submit. You will be immediately redirected to the editing menu. From here, you can switch to custom mode if you want to extract specific parts yourself, or use pre-made templates that automatically find the best moments in your video. As you can see, we have a lot of pre-built templates to extract literally anything from a long video. You can extract multiple viral videos, memorable phrases, topic clips, and a lot more. You can even extract jokes, memes, and funny moments, and turn all your funny moments into a short, entertaining video. For this example, I will go with viral clips to get multiple videos at once. From there, just set how many clips you want. Choose higher values for longer videos and smaller ones for short clips. For this example, I'll go with 6. Next, we need to pick the right aspect ratio. Since we're creating short-form content for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Reels, I'll select 9:16. After that, choose the language to get the most accurate caption generation. Finally, pick your favorite caption style to match your brand. There are plenty of great options to choose from. For this example, I'll go with this one. And that's it. In about 10 to 15 minutes, AI Video Cut delivers a batch of ready-to-post clips that already include synced captions and perfectly cut moments. Let's see how one of it turned out.
I'm going to show you what it's actually like to trade meme coins in August 2025. A lot of things have changed. I'm going to show you every single trade live, exactly why I bought each coin, and how much I ended up winning or losing on each trade.
And just like that, it turned out amazing. Captions perfectly synced, and we've captured an awesome moment straight from a long video. Sure, not every single one will go viral, but about 80% of them are solid, ready to post, and require little to no editing. Now post those videos across all of your social media platforms. But here's the critical part. To start earning, you have to submit all the required materials and links for the campaign. Make sure you do this immediately after posting. I can't stress this enough. It only counts if you submit your video on WAP right away. If you don't, your views simply will not count. For this next method, which I call the logo example, the process is very similar and straightforward. First, use a tool like AI Video Cut to generate a ton of fully edited clips from famous streamers and celebrities. Then, create a dedicated fan page specifically for them. And a pro tip, always warm up the account before you start posting. This is the key to avoiding the zero-view jail and other restrictions. Then, once you have a batch of 20 to 30 videos ready, just head over to some manual video editing tool. The process here is incredibly simple. You just upload each video, add the clip to your timeline, and place the Spartans logo right on top. That is literally it. Just repeat that simple process for all the videos you generated with AI Video Cut, render them out one by one, and you will have a whole library of publish-ready content in minutes. This is just a temporary workaround, because AI Video Cut is about to roll out the logo feature directly on their platform. Soon, you won't need any external tool. You'll be able to do everything in one place and save yourself a ton of time. Now let's see what we created.
Yep, open up, open that hip. It's all about the hips when it comes to being a DB. You gotta have good hips.
And that's it. By using these strategies and the power of AI tools like AI Video Cut, you can turn a few minutes of work into a consistent stream of income. Remember, the key is to be consistent and always be on the lookout for new, high-paying campaigns. If you want to dive even deeper into AI tools and workflows, I've put together a full list of all the deals and campaigns I mentioned in a Google Doc, which you can find in my free Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is in your hands, and you are generating it.